Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. We have a nice house for sale in Rose Park. It has 6 rooms and 2 baths. We have sold twice as many copies of the book since the notice was put in the magazine. Now is the time to buy your bulbs and seeds. The soil is ready for them. We have many choice varieties on sale, and we hope you will come in and choose some. He said the city would have to raise the oil tax or else levy a sales tax. I shall be in your city on Tuesday, 20th March, and I should like to speak to you if you can spare a few minutes. I am leaving the city on Tuesday. I shall be sorry to miss you, but I have no choice. Our cashier daily takes the check which come in the mail to the bank. Bill has to pay the check into the bank on Saturday when he leaves the office. On Saturday, we are having a special sale of boys' suits.